thecasesolutions.com. Hi guys. Select an engaging topic. Choose a relevant and interesting topic that aligns with your subject or research area. Ensure that the case is compelling and has enough depth for analysis. Define clear objectives. Outline the purpose of your case study. Are you trying to solve a problem, provide insights, or explore a specific situation? Choose the right case. Select a real-world scenario, problem, or phenomenon that exemplifies the topic you're exploring. The case should be relatable and applicable. Gather information. Conduct thorough research to gather all necessary information about the case. This could involve literature review, interviews, surveys, and data collection. Understand the context. Provide background information about the case, including the industry, context, and relevant history. Set the stage for your analysis. Identify key issues. Pinpoint the main problems, challenges, conflicts, or dilemmas presented in the case. These issues will be the focus of your analysis. Apply theoretical frameworks. Utilize relevant theories, models, or frameworks to analyze the case. This adds structure and depth to your analysis. Gather supporting data. Collect any quantitative or qualitative data that supports your analysis. Use charts, graphs, and figures to present data effectively. Create a compelling narrative. Develop a narrative that captures the attention of your audience. Present the case study in a storytelling format that maintains engagement. Highlight stakeholder perspectives. Explore the viewpoints of individuals, organizations, or groups involved in the case. Discuss their interests, roles, and motivations. Analyze and interpret. Analyze the data, evidence, and information collected. Interpret the findings and explain their relevance to the case's objectives. Draw clear conclusions. Based on your analysis, draw well-supported conclusions about the case. Address the key issues and present your insights. Provide recommendations. If applicable, offer practical recommendations or solutions based on your analysis. These should be actionable and supported by evidence. Structure the case study. Organize your case study with sections such as introduction, background, analysis, conclusions, and recommendations. Include visuals. Use visuals like images, charts, graphs, and diagrams to enhance understanding and engagement. Proofread and edit. Review your case study for clarity, coherence, grammar, and accuracy. Edit any errors or inconsistencies. Cite sources properly. Give credit to all sources used in your case study through proper citations and references. Presentation. Choose a clear and visually appealing format for presenting your case study, whether it's a document, presentation, or video. Seek feedback. Share your case study with peers, mentors, or experts to get constructive feedback for improvement. Share and publish. Present your case study to your target audience, whether it's in class, conferences, or publications. Consider online platforms or journals for wider reach. Creating a good case study involves a balance of research, analysis, and effective communication. If you want case study solution, please www.thecasesolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.